Alright guys, welcome to Coron and welcome to a new awesome video today. Probably I will have the best surroundings to make videos for a long time today. We're going to the Coron Island just beside Busuanga here, so it's gonna be a very exciting day today. We are the most beautiful place in the world. Okay, so we got our American breakfast and now we're ready to go to Coron. We have about an hour of driving until the Coron city where we can sail from, and we're gonna do the same as we did last time here in Coron. We're gonna rent a kayak so we can go to these beautiful places ourselves, and I think it's an awesome way to come around and I can definitely recommend to do it. But maybe if you're in very bad shape like I am, then I would recommend that you take a boat tour, because it is a little bit hard to go to the island. There's about 5 kilometers, so it's a quite long trip to go to the Coron Island, but it is definitely all worth it to have your own kayak when you're there. Okay guys, so welcome to Coron town here. We managed to get to a sea dive resort where it's possible to rent kayaks. It's the exactly same place we rented last time we were here in Coron, so yeah. Let's see if we can have a 3-person kayak this time instead of 2-person. I really hope it's possible. Okay, so it wasn't so easy as last time to find a kayak, but we managed to find a rental shop here. It is at the public market here in Coron. And there's apparently a lot of places you can rent a kayak here, so that's awesome. That's good. It is just so weird for me here to be back. When I left Coron last time, I had the feeling that I won't be back here for many years, because I wasn't supposed to go traveling again. I was supposed to go back, have an education, get a job and join the rest of the world, but I really didn't feel for it, and being back here in Coron is just such a strong memory for me, and it is a special feeling, because it is probably the place from last time I remember the most, because it is just amazing here, and the mood here and everything is just so perfect. So being back here is so magical for me. Yeah, it's amazing. I just have a massive smile on my lips being here, and it's probably the best decision I have ever taken to go traveling again, because yeah, it is just amazing and I love it so much. No matter what will happen with my videos and stuff like that, I'm just happy to be here. Okay, so there are 2 beautiful kayaks here. Let's go to Coron. This is not an easy maneuvering. Alright, so we're in the kayak here. My microphone is not waterproof, so I'm gonna put it in the bag. I think that will get some water on it, so I'll be a little bit careful. See you a little bit later guys. I'll make some videos as well from here. Bye bye. So we are slowly, but we are approaching the Coron Island here. It's the one you can see right here, and we came from the city all over the way here. So I think we are more than halfway. So it is it. We are soon here. Look at the beauty here. Okay, so welcome to the first destination. We just docked our kayaks, and wow, Coron is just as beautiful as I remembered. We are here at the Cagayan, I think it's called, lake, and it should just be a beautiful lake, half salt water, half fresh water. We came through the small little lagoon here just behind me, and it's just so beautiful. The most blue water, these limestone cliffs, it's just magical here. Wow. Okay, so our first destination, it looks like the rules have changed a bit here since we were here last time. Last time we could freely go up to the lake. We just said to the lifeguard that we are hiking around, but this time we had to pay an entrance fee for 300 pesos, unfortunately. And as well, you can't swim without a life vest. Pretty weird, but that's the rules here. Rules are really changing here in Coron, and it's not for the better, I would say. First point is the viewpoint here. Take a look at this. Right, so that was probably the most famous viewpoint here from Coron. It's very beautiful, and I've seen it before, so it was just so cool to be back. Wow. Now we're just on our way down to the other side of the mountain here, where there should be a lake, and the lake there should be very beautiful. It is actually the most pure water in a lake in all of the Philippines here. So yeah, it is just the most clear water, and it's really beautiful. Take a look at this. It is really magical. Wow, so welcome to the lakes, guys. Look at this. This is actually a lake, so you can't swim out to the sea from any of these directions. It's just a lake. Look at this water. Wow, it is beautiful. But I remember last time we were here, I said to you guys that you should visit Coron here as fast as possible, because the mass tourism, it is just a matter of time when it will start here. And last time we were at this lake, there were only one more couple than us. Look at them, the amount of people that's here now. There are probably, I don't know, 30. I'm just wondering how it will be next year and the year after that and the year after that. There's no doubt that Coron here is going to be a crazy big destination for tourists. So go here now, guys, before it's too late. Lake here, just as impressive as last time, but this time we had to share it with I don't know, 25, 30 more people. That's alright, it is still a beautiful place. If there were thousands of people, it will still be one of the most beautiful places in the entire world, no doubt about that. Alright, so back in the kayak here, we are not spending too much time here in Cagayan Lake, because there's a lot of sights, and unfortunately it is already pretty late. I think we used too much time to sail into the lake here, but yeah, we are a little bit hush to see a lot of things here. And I really also want to fly my drone. It is not allowed here at the Cagayan Lake, so I think we're just gonna find a place just close to a cliff something, and where I can fly my drone, because this is probably the most beautiful place within the world to fly a drone. Here is a small little paradise beach. I think it's a perfect place to fly my drone. Okay guys, so it is pretty late now, and I think we're just gonna go back, and I think we're gonna do the exact same thing as we did last time we were here in Coron. There is some local peoples here, and probably all of them have a boat, so you can just show up to one of these guys and ask if they can tire the kayak to the boat, and they can sail you back to Coron City. So you don't have to sail all the way back, because it's really a long way. I think there's 5 kilometers, and it's definitely worth 500 pieces if you can hire them to sail you back. Unfortunately, we haven't seen so much here in Coron, because yeah, we have just been too short of time, and took a bit longer to come here than expected. So yeah, unfortunately. But still, wow, this place is so beautiful, and especially flying a drone over here is magical. And actually, I had a problem with my drone before. I couldn't understand why the footage was shaky, but I just realized that there is some kind of a foam that is on the drone when it's brand new, that you have to remove right after you pack it out of the box, and yeah, it is so stupid. Just look at this place, I'm gonna miss it so much. Coron here, I'm just in love with this place. All of these cliffs, palms, wow. And actually the beach here is very good. Some very white sand and some very blue water out here. So let's go back to Coron. Wow, so what a solution. I'm sitting here in the boat being dragged. Bye bye Coron Island. Bye bye. Bye bye Filipino family. Actually, it looks like the boat here, the motorboat that should take us back to Coron is not working. I don't know, they've done like 8, 9 times now. It's just not working. And we are on our way back, guys. Let's go to Coron. Wow, doing this is actually the perfect solution. After a long day with a lot of kayaking, you are really tired, the whole of your body, and yeah, your arms, everything is just exhausted. And once again, guys, I have to say that the Coron Island is not letting me down. Wow, it is just so beautiful, and it is just as I remember, but without a doubt there is more and more people here in Coron. It is like the word has been get out, and then there are starting to be more and more tourists. So expect more tourists than for 1 year ago when we were here last time. But actually I knew that this would happen. El Nido is just down to the south, 10 hours in a boat from here. And at El Nido there's a lot of tourists. So we knew that Coron would be like this at some point. But as it is for now, it is alright. There's more tourists than for 1 year ago. But there is not near as many tourists as there's in El Nido. So if you're looking for a place to be a little bit remote, you can still come to Coron, guys, but it gotta be now because it will explode soon. I'm pretty sure about that. We're back here in Coron town. My camera really got some water on the way back here. Luckily it is weather resistant, so I'm happy about that. Otherwise I would probably have a broken camera right now. But yeah, it's cool. We are back. I just picked up some laundry. We did them yesterday, and everything is good. The city here in Coron is really chaotic. There is so much traffic, and it's just chaos, really. All right. So the last 2 days we have got a room service in our room, but now it's time to have some food from outside, and we are still here in Coron town, just on the main street. And I actually think we found a pretty cool place here. Let's try. So our meal here, I'm really missing some Thai food, so I'm getting some chicken and cashew nut right here. It's very delicious. One thing I really need to improve here in my videos is I need to be better to use the golden hour here to make some videos. It is just an awesome time, and it makes all footage looks better when it's golden hour. The harsh sunlight is really not so good for the footage. It reduces the quality and the details in the shot a lot. So I really need to improve and get better to using these sunsets to make some awesome videos. Alright, guys, so I have to say again, not a lot is happening here at night, unfortunately, so I'm not making any videos from tonight as well. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night editing videos, and yeah, I am so far behind. I think I'm a month and a week maybe behind, and I'm really sorry about it, but it is just so difficult in these environments to upload videos. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it short, guys. It's gonna be an awesome day tomorrow, where we are probably going around here in Coron and exploring some of the islands here. And actually there should be a lot of these paradise islands. There should both be the K Islands and Banana Islands. But I'll speak about it tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.